entire speech. First of all, good afternoon, everybody, and thank you very much for coming to see our trailer of Nirja, a very special film for us. I had an entire speech worked out, where we're going to talk about the film and talk about everybody involved in it, but I'm supremely nervous right now. So, just to say that it's a. So, hopefully, fear will give me courage. But just a couple of things to say, and I'll keep it short, is that the script has been really special to us at Foxstar Studios. It's been great to partner with Ram Madhwani. And actually, to go back into a bit of a flashback, the story actually started when Atul Kazbekar and Shanti Sivram came to us from Bling Unplugged. And they brought an amazing script written by Saivan Quadras and Sanyukta Chawla Sheikh. And it was being directed by Ram, and Sonam was in it. And we got the script narrated to the entire Foxstar Studios team. And I cannot tell you, there was not a single dry eye in that narration. And everybody just wanted to make sure that this film has to happen. And we're really proud of it, and we're really glad that we can bring this true story about an incredibly ordinary girl who did some extraordinary stuff in real life situations. So I want to invite, in fact, Atul Kazbekar for from Bling Unplugged. This is Bling Unplugged's maiden venture, and we're really proud that this will be. We're really proud that this film Nirja is going to be our first release of 2016, Feb 19th. So over to you, Atul.
Thank you, Rucha. Oh my God, we made a movie! I mean, oh my God, we made a movie. Well, at least we made the trailer. Thank you all for coming. I want to rewind just a little bit, like Rucha said, because for us at Bling, I figured this is a lot cooler than carrying a little sheet of paper. So for us at Bling, we're all avid moviegoers, and I've often heard this thing about where are the stories, where's the content, etc., etc. So one of my partners and dear friend Shanti Sivaram and her insane husband Ashish brought this guy who looked like a reincarnation of Jesus, and he had a 7-pager about this girl called Nirja Banot, and I was one of the few people who actually knew of it because she was a little before my time. Yes, I am that old, and was a model and a student at Bombay Scottish and at St. Xavier's College, and I read the 7-pager and said, you know what, this story has got to be told. But Saivan, if anyone didn't give you enough credit in the past, I want to put it out here that he's the guy who came up with it. Because if you don't have the story, you have nothing. Okay, so thank you, Saivan. Then we've always been terrified about having some Peshwa's great-grandson come and sue you. So we said, let's do this the right way, and we contacted Akhil and Anish Bhanot, who are Nirja's brothers, and they're right here today. Gentlemen, I have absolutely no idea why you decided to trust people who'd never made a movie to make an extremely complicated film, but for that, I'm very grateful. Thank you. What's the point of having permission and having a great story if you don't get someone to back you? And Rucha, who was here earlier, we ran it by her, and she says, you know what, I'm starting at Foxstar. I promise you this is the first movie I will make. She gets to Foxstar, the first call she makes is to us, and let's make your movie. So, thank you, Ruch. And then you need an actor. And, seriously, Sonam, I don't know how we could have done this without you backing us every single step of the way. It's really awfully decent of you to back your agents to become producers, and you got this movie because you deserved it. And thank you for bringing Nirja to life and putting it up on celluloid. If people remember this story, it'll be because you put your soul into this. Thank you. It happens when you get really, really lucky that you get to stand in the presence of greatness. And we had a long discussion in the office. In the moment people said Shabana ji's name, I ran out of the room and made a phone call. And I called her and I said, listen, you have got to read this. So she read it. Then she thought, what is this idiot doing trying to make a movie? So she quickly called Akhil and Anish and said, does he really have the rights? You know, and I told Akhil and Anish, please don't say anything to anyone. So they thought anyone meant her as well. So they told her, we don't know what you're talking about. So that got really confusing and messed up. I said, no, please tell her we have the rights. And she agreed. And it has been, Shabana ji, a pleasure, a privilege, and a deep honor. Honestly, I owe you one. Thank you so much. और खुल के तारीफ वो मैडम पिक्चर देखने के बाद आपके नेशनल अवार्ड के लिए हम आएंगे ज़रूर और बहुत चलाएंगे. डोंट वरी. तो अनिल कपूर heard the script and he's not here. And he said, तो बना दे अपनी पिक्चर, कोई टेंशन हो तो बोल दो मेरे को. So he didn't need to make any phone calls, but just the fact that he was there and he has the same initials and he is a lot cooler and has fallen to the fountain of eternal youth, it just felt really good that Anil Kapoor was prepared to back you if you needed anything, was a great solace. So thank you, AK, wherever you are. Last but not the least is I just want to tell you a quick thing. So years ago when I came back to India from studying photography in the US, I got partly conned into doing an ad for Duke's Lemonade. It was quite hysterical because someone told me this guy called Ram Madhwani wants to make a commercial with a basketball player. He can't find a basketball player. So I used to play basketball in my misspent youth. So we met and we became friends since. And even though I will show it to you. So even though I try to burn every copy, but he has one. So having said that, we hit it off, and he's a soul brother, so to speak. So I go up to him and I say, listen, Ram, I think you can tell the story. It's a great story, and here's a 7-pager. And we met at a coffee shop at the now defunct Atria Mall, and he looks at me and says, yeah, man, this is really cool. Let's make this movie. So this motion picture could not have been made without the singular energies, the fastidiousness, and the incredible attention to detail that Ram brought to the table. I'm delighted to tell you that we finished 4 days before schedule, and we finished. And most importantly, you may not have heard this term very often in this industry, but the Neerja Bhanot production was done under budget. And it could not have happened without this guy. Without further ado, would you please welcome somebody who's going to be world famous in India very soon, my good friend and the director of Neerja, Ram Madhwani.
I now have 2 mics. I'm going to speak in stereo. First, thank you everybody for coming, and for all the people who came and acknowledged my SMS yesterday, really thank you for being here in support. I do have something written. I'm not going to use it until I have to have memorized this. But I made my last movie 10 years ago, and it was a very small indie movie, so this really is my first Hindi film. And I hope that after this, I won't spend another 10 years till I make my next. The people that I need to thank, of course, is Atul, but I'm not going to thank him yet. I'm going to thank Rucha, and I'm going to thank the Foxstar team first, because there's Shikha and there's Vijay and the entire team here, because they just landed and guided this plane through. And of course, I have to thank Atul, but I'm not going to thank him yet. So I want to actually thank also Amita, my wife, who's over here. I should thank Atul, I'm going to thank him yet. And I also actually want to say to my entire team, there's a lot of us over here who've been here with me. I can't take your names individually, but guys, without y'all, y'all had t-shirts which said Ram Bharose, and yes, it's a good Bharose, I won't let you down. They also have t-shirts which say we survived Ram. So thank you to my team, genuinely. It's been great that you all were there through all the frustrating detail that I put you all through. I also want to obviously thank the family for being here, and we spent an evening with them in Chandigarh, and it was a great evening. I better get down to thanking Atul at some point in this, but the genuine truth is that when Atul actually came and he first made me a phone call, and I said, okay, let's do it. And I've known him for a long time, and because there is a certain shared vibe, I knew that here was a team of people from Bling, which was Atul and Shanti here, who would protect and in some ways make sure that whatever that I was saying would happen. That's very rare in this industry to find, quite honestly, because normally what happens is that, especially for so-called first-time directors, the where you need to go is not really protected, and for that, I genuinely am very, very grateful to Atul for actually trusting me. Okay. He sent me an SMS this morning, and I've become so mushy that my eyes like sort of watered this morning. I'm not going to do it in front of everybody, just not embarrass myself. But really, thanks Atul so much. I'm going to spend just a couple of minutes more. And I don't know whether we can do this right now, but we may need to move the poster because.
So we'll do it right now. Yeah.
Okay, so I want to speak about Neerja's mother. Neerja shot her commercial, that last day that she was there before she took the flight, was shot by my partner. And so when Casby called me, I knew about Neerja and I knew what had happened to her. And I feel that, of course, we're here for a trailer and we're here for a movie launch. But more than anything else, I think we're here to see how we can all, and we need your help for this, that is why you're here, how we can all actually tell people about what she did and who she was. Because this is something that people have forgotten. There is a generation that remembers it, and that's why you're here, and that is the support that I really, really need on this film from all you people over here to actually tell people about what she did and who she was. Because I ask myself sometimes that if I was in her place, that question actually goes out to all of us in what we face today and in the world today. Would we do what she did, or would we have run away? And that question has actually also driven me to make the film. At the core of the film, it is really about this girl and greater as an actress than the Shabana Azmi. And one of the fears that I had to overcome, of course, was directing her. But it was something which I am genuinely privileged, and I feel that as somebody who is working with really the best talent that the world has to offer, I cannot ask for more. She came on the first day of the shooting, and we were shooting in Navjeevan Society at Mahim, and she would come and she would walk around the society. She went to the neighbor's house. She spent time with them. She went around the whole home. The way that she's imbibed this role is something which I didn't need to do any directing at all. So I was very blessed to have Shabana Azmi there, and I'd like to invite her on stage.
Because it's easy to kind of go into the gray area a lot of the times, especially in this industry and especially in the world we live in. But she never did. And I was like, if she didn't, why should I? So I think it's just being principled.
We've seen you recently in, multi-crore, big budget films with A-listers. Films have been very different from something like
Fun
this.
film.
Okay, but perhaps we've seen you in mostly some light-hearted comedies, perhaps. And this film seems like a landmark shift from that. So after this film, will we be seeing you gravitate towards roles such as these?
I think I need a little bit of a break.
Okay.
Honestly, I think after Ranjana, I said the same thing. I said I need to take some time out and do lighter films. And this was a journey. And after this, I'm not somebody who likes to churn things out one after the other. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do very little work. So I think my agency definitely noticed. That's why I was laughing on the side. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I don't know how I'm going to top this experience.
Let me just assure you that I don't think there'll be any dub smashes Sonam will be doing at the end of this movie. That's for sure.
Sonam, so without overstating it, would you say this has been the most important film in your career so far?
Working with Ram has been one of the most amazing experience, the most experience. I think I can say that. That I can totally say. I think
That's
he's
sweet of you. Thank you so much.
जो एक कैरेक्टर है बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग और हमने देखा बहुत ही अच्छा कैरेक्टर है. वी हैव नो वर्ड्स फॉर इट, बट प्लेइंग अ मदर ऑफ नीरजा कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा आपके लिए, और क्या इस कैरेक्टर की तैयारी के लिए आप सच में नीरजा जी की माँ से मिले थे? क्या कहना चाहेंगे अपनी प्रिपरेशंस के बारे में?
मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझती हूँ कि मेरी मुलाकात रमा भानोट जी से हुई जब फिल्म का कोई जिक्र नहीं था, और पता नहीं क्या हुआ था, लेकिन मुझे इनवाइट किया गया था फैमिली ने कि मैं नीरजा भानोट अवार्ड पेश करूं चंडीगढ़ में. और रमा जी को जब मैंने देखा तो कोई कनेक्शन हमारे बीच उसी वक्त हो गया. वो बहुत ही गैर मामूली खातून थी, और जैसे कि आप छोटा सा क्लिप देते हैं उसमें आपको लगता है कि ये पूरी की पूरी दिल है, पूरी तरह से दिल है. उसका मुझे बड़ी शिद्दत से एहसास हुआ था. तो जब ये रोल मुझे ऑफर हुआ तो मुझे जो बात खास, मैं एक सेंट्रल पॉइंट ढूंढती हूँ किसी भी कैरेक्टर का जब करती हूँ, और मुझे उसका सेंट्रल पॉइंट लगा था कि ये बहुत खरी औरत है. ये जो हैं जैसी दिखती हैं ठीक वैसी ही हैं. ये मुझे रमा जी से मिला था, और मैंने कोशिश की है कि ये जो खरापन है रमा भानोट का पूरी तरह से वो पर्दे पर आ सके.
सोनम, कह सकते हैं कि ये साल आपके लिए काफी अच्छा रहा, क्योंकि पहले धीरे धीरे से फिर प्रेम रतन धन पाए और आप नीरजा लेकर आ रही है, और अब खबर है कि आशिकी 3 में आप ऋतिक रोशन के साथ दिखाई देने वाली है. तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैंने कुछ साइन नहीं किया अब तक. मैं सिर्फ अपनी बहन की फिल्म कर रही हूँ अभी. रिया ने एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रही है. अब तक मैंने सिर्फ वो साइन किया है. आई एम इन टॉक्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बट मैं बहुत ही संकी हूँ, आप सब जानते हैं. मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ नेक्स्ट.
My question is for Ram. Ram, initially you said in the beginning of the press conference that Shekhar is doing a cameo in the film. How did you convince him, being a music composer, and how difficult was it for you all to just...
He said, I'm not going to do any of my ads with you anymore.
Exactly, no. But actually Atul spoke to Shekhar when we first thought about the idea. We were wondering, it is a special appearance, it's a small role, and I think he has said no to many directors in the past because other people have asked him, and I think that he just couldn't say no to me.
He said no more ads, no more ads.
No, but actually Atul is also the person to thank for this because he went there and he actually met Shekhar. So the best person to ask is actually Atul.
He's so cute now, Shekhar. You don't even think
Actually,
about that.
me for a second. I said, I'm happy for that. Look, convincing Shekhar was a lot easier after I convinced everybody to my right. Okay, so after convincing this whole lot, Shekhar was a cakewalk, and he basically said, "Listen, Ram, you were asking me, then if you want me to be the tree in the school play, I'll say yes." So I think he's going to be the music guy who does a film once in a while.
How was it being directed by Ram? Some of his positive traits and some of his negative traits. अब आपने मुझे ऐसी दुविधा में डाल दिया कि तारीफ करने के अलावा मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ. बाहर मिलिए फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी असलियत. लेकिन फैक्ट ये है कि राम और हम, जावेद और मैं, एक दूसरे को बहुत कई सालों से जानते हैं, और हम बहुत इनकी जान के पीछे पड़े रहते थे कि आप कोई फिल्म डायरेक्ट करिए, और ये करने वाले थे, नहीं करने वाले थे. इनका नाम हमने डॉक्टर नो रख दिया था, क्योंकि जी कर रहा हूँ, नहीं कर रहा हूँ ऐसे. तो जब राम से मेरी मुलाकात हुई तो वर्कशॉप्स में हम एक दूसरे के बारे में जानने लगे, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि राम की जो सबसे बड़ी खासियत है वो ये है कि वो अपने एक्टर्स को बहुत चाहते हैं और बहुत कोशिश करते हैं कि ऐसा माहौल बनाए कि अगर कोई भी ब्लॉक है एक्टर का, वो ब्लॉक हटाने के लिए वो पूरी कोशिश करते हैं, और बिल्कुल भी आपको इस बात का एहसास नहीं दिलाते कि वक्त खत्म होता जा रहा है, या इट्स important to do the shot now. He makes you absolutely comfortable. और जैसे कि राम ने कहा, क्योंकि इनकी पसंद और मेरी पसंद खास तौर से जिस तरह की फिल्में हम पसंद करते हैं वो एक तरह की हैं, तो ये सेंसिबिलिटीज कनेक्ट करने में मुश्किल नहीं हुई. बट अल्टीमेटली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि फिल्म इज अ वेरी वेरी कोलैबोरेटिव मीडियम. उसका जो बेसिस है हैज टू बी द स्टोरी. As the daughter of a writer and the wife of a writer and the daughter-in-law of a writer, I do think the story is everything. And that's why we really have to give credit to Simon and to Sanyukta, whose dialogue is absolutely outstanding. I think in being able to do the film, what has been a matter of pride for all of us is that we consider ourselves privileged and blessed to have been part of a life in which Neerja Bhanot lived and she inspired. Thank you.
And what about Sonam?
You know, Sonam has been a bacha for many years.
Yeah.
So इतनी छोटी सी थी तब से.
She made me become an actress, by the way.
अनिल कपूर ने इसको मेरे पास भेजा था कि ये लड़की जो एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती है, शबाना प्लीज इसको समझा दो, ऐसा नहीं करे. तो मैंने बहुत सीरियसली कहा, मैं उसको बिल्कुल बोली. शी वाज वेरी स्कॉलरली. तो मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं उसको बोलूंगी कि देखो तुम जाओ और कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ो एंड यू आर अ वेरी लंदन स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ो. और जब वो आई एंड शी सेड, "Chimana aunty, I want to be an actress." I said, "Be an actress. I will be with you all the way." And Anil said, "Eat you brute." मैंने तो बिल्कुल अलग चीजों के लिए. इनफैक्ट जब ये इन्होंने जब सुनीता मेरे पास आई थी और कह रही थी कि मुझे जो है मैं चाहती हूँ कि सोनम डांस करे, तो उनकी कथक टीचर को भी मैंने ही इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. तो मेरे लिए वो मेरी बेटी ही है, कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है.
And on a lighter note, Sonam, a while ago, Ram said you were there with all soul in the character. What about your heart? Where was it?
Where was my heart? My heart is always in. I think मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं सिर्फ दिल से काम करती हूँ और दिल से बोलती हूँ, दिमाग का तो मैं यूज ही नहीं करती हूँ. और अभी कभी कभार अभी करना पड़ता है पर आजकल. पर आई थिंक मैं जो भी करती हूँ, काम, बातें, लोगों से मेरी जो रिलेशनशिप्स हैं वो सब मैं दिल से ही करती हूँ. आई डोंट नो ये मेरी कमी है या मेरी पॉजिटिव चीज़ है, मुझे पता नहीं. पर मेरा जो दिल है मेरे हर काम में रहता है.
Sonam, I read somewhere on the internet that Neerja was married and she walked out of her marriage because there were some dowry issues. Is it true? If yes, would that issue be tackled in the film?
I think you should just watch the film, no? Better, sir?
I think there's some things that we'll let you experience.
Yeah.
Also, there is a Pakistan angle to it. You know, the flight was hijacked in Karachi. Normally, Pakistan gets very touchy whenever their
But
country.
it was Libyan terrorists.
Correct. So do you see any trouble in getting this film?
No, but you must realize the first clip that you see is that this was one of those rare occasions when Neerja Bhanot was given an award by USA, Pakistan and India. So she really is quite extraordinary. There's no question of Pakistan taking it badly because in fact they honored her and they honored her memory.
It's a very big award in Pakistan that she got, and it was also for human kindness. So the Pakistani government itself has actually honored her. So this is a film that speaks about how both countries, and including USA, have actually honored one girl.
She did something for everybody.
I'd like to add, it was Pakistan that gave her the award much before India gave it. So I don't think Pakistan would have any problem with this.
I really think you should experience Neerja for the honesty with which she has been presented. I'd like to thank the family for giving us this opportunity and the trust to let us make a film on her life. And in watching Neerja, I am sure that each one of us will be able to pull out that one special being in us where in the face of fear, you overcome it and you do something not because you want to be brave, but because it's the right thing to do. And therein you find courage. Thank you.
Yes, that's it.
Hi Sonam. Sonam, the tagline of the film is "Fear gave her courage." Is there something which you have overcome which has given you courage? Any of your fears? And are you feared of anything right now or any fears in your life?
I'm constantly scared.
About what?
About everything. I'm actually got ridiculous stage fright. It takes me a lot to get on stage and talk to people. I've been and very, very, very shy person, very reserved person. When I was younger, I used to barely speak. My sister was the one who was very, you know, remember this, Shabana auntie? मैं मेरे मम्मी के पीछे खड़ी रहती थी. I did not have the personality of an so-called actor, and so everything scared me. Everything scares me, but I still go ahead. I think I think people are always scared, and the fact that I still sit here and talk to you, and a lot of the times I'm so nervous that I laugh uncontrollably or say all the wrong things. And now people are really happy that I say all the wrong things all the time, but it's just because I'm nervous and scared, and I still try to, you know, get over it every day. I've got the courage to go on stage and perform on stage and stuff like that after 8 or 9 years of being in this industry now. So I think everybody needs to overcome something or the other every bit of their lives.
मैं इनकी मदर से मिली हूँ जब पहला अवार्ड दिया गया था ये वाला बम्बई में, तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि मेरी बेटी मरी नहीं, वो शहीद हुई थी. तो ऐसी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी मुझे लाइन दे दी थी. तो आप भी उनसे मिली हैं, तो क्या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो आप राइटर्स को दे पाई हो?
मैंने जैसे कहा, ये फिल्म इतनी अच्छी लिखी हुई है और उसके डायलॉग खास तौर से इतने खूबसूरत हैं कि मुझे अपनी तरफ से कुछ भी नहीं देना पड़ा. जो स्क्रिप्ट थी और जो डायलॉग हमको मिले थे, और ये बात कि मैं उनको पर्सनली जानती थी, हालांकि सिर्फ एक ही दिन मैं उनसे मिली थी, उसकी वजह से जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं उस घर में मैंने कदम रखा और रमा भनोट को मैंने ओढ़ लिया. जैसे उसके लिए सिवाय इसके कि मैं पूरी सच्चाई से और पूरी ऑनेस्टी से और बगैर किसी मैनिपुलेशन के उस कैरेक्टर को पेश कर सकूं, बस मेरी यही कोशिश थी. बट शी वॉज अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल पर्सन, और मुझे इस बात का अफसोस है कि वो फिल्म नहीं देख पाई, लेकिन जैसा कि उन्होंने खुद कहा है, उनकी दुआएं हमारे साथ हैं.
मैं अतुल से जानना चाहूँगा कि आपकी एजेंसी बड़े समय से बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है. What gives you courage to become a producer?
हाँ, जैसे शबाना जी से कहा, फूल हार्डीनेस. आई थिंक वो लॉजिकल प्रोग्रेशन था, और आई थिंक some stories are meant to be told, and some people, I think, have the responsibility of making sure they are told. I never met Neerja Bhanot, but I feel like I know her because there have been too many people in my life who've known her very, very well. My brother-in-law was in her class in Bombay Scottish. One of my closest friends who's in Europe right now was in her class in Xavier's. So I feel like I know her, and I think it just sort of fell into my lap. I just want to add one more thing, to what Shabana ji was saying about Rama Bhanot. I'm very, very conducive to energies and people's energies. When we met her, there is this ball of positive, wonderful, warm, glowing light that seems to come from this lady. And, we only met her a couple of times, but she made a very, very deep impression, especially on me. And I keep telling Ram कि यार ये पिक्चर हमने बनाई, ऐसा लगता है कि वीडियो गेम खेल रहे थे, और सामने जो कोई ऑब्स्टिकल बाधा जो आती है, वो पीछे से रमा जी झूम करके एक लेजर मारती है, और बूम, इट्स गॉन. The number of problems from an industry strike to making an entire aeroplane and so on and so forth, it really was not easy, and it's not an easy subject to take on. But I really think we were blessed, and we were meant to do it.
We keep saying this to ourselves. This film is blessed.
And whoever we asked from Shabana ji to whoever has said yes and showed up doing langdi on our set, and just been so 110% कि मैंने सोचा कि इतना आसान है तो और पिक्चरें बनाते हैं. और
अभी बाद में पता चलेगा बच्चों, सेकंड टाइम.
देखो, मैंने सफेद पैंट भी लिए, सफेद जूते अभी तक लाए नहीं. यू कैन जस्ट कॉल मी प्रोड्यूसर जी फ्रॉम टुमारो.
मेरा क्या होगा, एजेंसी का क्या होगा? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.